of the protesters there have been calling for the release and return of a 5-year-old who was detained by immigration officials nearly 2 weeks ago. You may remember this. He was taken with his father. A federal judge has now ordered their release. NewsNation Tom Dempsey is live in Washington. Tom, good morning. Always good to see you. Tell us more about the judge's ruling and what it means going forward.
Hey, Hannah, good morning from Washington, D.C. Well, this federal court ruling says that 5-year-old Liam Conejo Ramos must be released along with his father from federal custody by as late as this upcoming Tuesday. And in that ruling, this judge really criticized the Trump administration. We want to show you a part of this ruling that came down from Texas Judge Fred Beery, who is appointed by former President Bill Clinton, writing, quote, "The case has its genesis in the ill-conceived and incompetently implemented government pursuit of daily deportation quotas, apparently even if it requires traumatizing children." But pictures of the boy wearing a snow hat and a Spider-Man backpack surrounded by federal law enforcement led to more backlash against the immigration operation happening in Minnesota. According to the federal government, the boy's father allegedly entered the U.S. illegally from Ecuador in December of 2024, with the family's attorney saying the father had a pending asylum case allowing him to remain in the United States. The two of them, though, got detained just outside Minneapolis almost 2 weeks ago. A Department of Homeland Security spokesperson accusing the dad of trying to run away and abandoning the boy when approached by federal agents. The two, though, later got taken to a detention center in Texas, and 2 Texas Congress members visited the father and son there last week, saying the father told them the boy was not eating well and was frequently tired. In the judge's decision, he included a picture of the 5-year-old at the end, including 2 Bible verses, one which reads, "Jesus wept," and an attorney for the family now saying that they are working to get the family released and reunite them with their family members back home. Hannah?
Tom, as you well know, this is a case the country's been watching, but how are lawmakers reacting to the judge's decision?
Yeah, that's right. So all sorts of reactions came in after this decision came down from this judge. Governor Tim Walz, the governor of Minnesota, posted to X about this, saying, quote, "It should not take a court order to get a toddler out of prison." Senator Amy Klobuchar, now running for Minnesota governor, wrote, quote, "Liam's mom is waiting. His classmates miss him. His things are still in his school cubby. It's time for Liam to come home and for ICE to leave our state." But aboard Air Force One on Saturday, President Trump did not offer specific comments on the release, but he stood by his administration's crackdown on illegal immigration, despite some Democrats pushing back.
I mean, honestly, the crime-ridden cities are all Democrat-run cities. And if they want help, they have to ask for it. Because if we go in, all they do is complain. But if they want help, they can ask for it, and they're going to need help.
And as also a part of the reactions that came down, the school district where Conejo Ramos attends said it was happy with the ruling. Hannah?
All right, Tom Dempsey, thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.